Hey everyone, this is how to support me by using Patreon, and it's actually quite simple. All you do is go to my website, IrixGuy.com, and once you're on my website, go to About, and then underneath About you'll see Support. Click Support, and then that'll take you to my Patreon page. And if you choose to donate, again, it's not required, but if you want to, it would be great. It really helps to support my channel. Just go to click Become a Patron, and then you're presented with the opportunity to choose if you want to, maybe you just want to do $1 a month, maybe you really like my content and you want to do a little bit more. You can specify that here, hit continue, and go through all the other fun stuff. Thanks in advance, and be sure to share with others too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.